Hi, I'm Rachel Holmes and I'm the creator of the LIFTLEAN program. How can LIFTLEAN help you build your business, build your brand, serve more people and create more impact within your fitness teaching? There's so many options and so many ways that you can deliver the LIFTLEAN program. When you get into the LIFTLEAN dashboard, whoa, you'll be like, wow, there's so much stuff here. I've recorded over 70 different strength training workouts. They are body weight training, there are resistance bands, there's dumbbells, there's kettlebells, there's some stability work in there. You will never be short of material or inspiration. Now you can take those URLs, you can promote them in your groups and on your online offerings, or you can use them as inspiration. And all of the theory is really based around postmenopausal, menopausal, and perimenopausal females. So there's quite a lot of information around that and how the benefits of strength training are just amazing for that client group. So it's really about how strength training can help that client group. You will also find the Kickstart Healthy Eating and Nutrition program. So if you want to wrap around some nutrition, now it's not a diet or a detox or anything difficult. This is evidence-based nutrition. So it's encouraging our clients to eat healthily, to allow themselves some wiggle room at the weekend. So eating healthily in the week, a little bit of wiggle room at the weekend, enjoying food. There's no good or bad food. All food in context and in balance is good. And that's the message that we are really trying to promote with LIFTLEAN, living a happy, healthy, strength building lifestyle. So how are you going to offer this? Well, you can offer it as a standalone class. People can come to your class. You could have a launch, encourage everybody to come. But I know as a community instructor, you probably don't want to be buying more kit or equipment. So I would suggest that people buy their own. It's relatively low cost, the low barrier. All the supermarkets sell weights and kettlebells. You can order bands and everything else online. And this way they'll have their own home gym set up. They'll come to you once a week, or once a month, or when you do a masterclass or when you do a launch. They'll go through all of the techniques and the ideas, and then they'll be able to do the workouts at home. And you can send them my workouts, or why not film your own? Build your own online business. Use my workouts as inspiration. Get into your garden while it's sunshining, get your phone on your tripod and film some workouts. You'll be amazed once you get going. And you could mix and match. You could use some of mine and some of yours and just slowly build up your library. This is an amazing time to start harnessing the power of digital. I have been saying that for the last decade. And now people are starting to get on board with this. But do it. This is a hot topic. Perimenopause, menopause and postmenopause is very much a buzzword right now. Lots of people are talking about it. It's out in social media. It's very effective. And LIFTLEAN is the perfect group exercise program for your clients. You could add an online program where people are in a Facebook group and you deliver the information to them there for a cost. They could sign up for a 4-week program, a 6-week program, or it could be an ongoing monthly subscription. You have enough content to keep everybody going for many months. You could do face-to-face once a week in class, and people could have the online nutrition wrapped around in a Facebook group, or you could do partially, maybe a class every month, and then everybody goes away and does the home workouts, or you could do it purely online. It's just up to you and how it's going to fit in to your business and your lifestyle. The women that are struggling with perimenopause and menopause and postmenopause, I've been running this for 3 years and it has impacted them in such a tremendous way. Exercising regularly, not just for body composition, increasing muscle mass, increasing cardiovascular fitness, but what it does for your mental cognition, how it affects your hormonal balance, how it impacts your sleep, your self-confidence, how you feel about yourself. Strength training is the bomb. It really is. And it really does help that client group so much, massively, in fact. I can't say that enough. And I know that your clients are going to experience some fantastic results as well with this. My overriding mantra this year from September to Christmas is for all women of all ages, whether they are 40, whether you are 40, 50, 60 or beyond. that there's no barriers to be the fittest, the strongest, the healthiest, and the happiest you have ever been. And regular strength training and a healthy diet, working on your mindset, your motivation, surrounding yourself with positive people is by far the way forward. It's on offer. I want more people to do this. I want more people to be able to help the ladies in their area and impact more lives. So if you want to get Lift Lean while it's still on offer for £99, this is it's a massive course. There's so much information. Then I highly recommend that you look at it now, maybe looking to launch in September or even October.